Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Aziza. I'm from Mathematics Education, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Here I will explain about basic mathematical formation and operation. Next. First, we will discuss about name of number. And number one, we can read this a half, this a third, this a quarter, this a sixth or 1/6. Okay, next we can read this 5/12 or 5/12. And we can read this 7/4/8 or 7/4/8. Next, we can read this 1.543 and we can read this 0.32. And number 4, we can read this 1543. In number 3, it's a dot. So we can read this point 1.543. And in number 4, it's a comma. So we can read this 1543. Okay, next, number 5. We can read this 1,543,762,891. Next, in number 6, we can read this the square root of 4 because in the square root is number 4. Next, we can read this the cube root of 8 because in the cube root is number 8. Next, we can read this the fifth root of 7 because the fifth root is number 7. Next, number 7, we can read this a square, this a cube, this 1 to the 4th, and this 2 to the 9th. Okay, next, in number 8. We can read this 2 to the power of 9. In number 7 and 8, it's the same, but we can read this differently. That is 2 to the power of 9. Then we can read this 5 to the power of -2. Next, name of operation includes the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the square root of p because in the square root is p. And then we can read this the end root of m because in the end root is m. And then a to the end. We can read this a to the end. Next, operation result includes the sum, the difference, the product, the quotient. Next, how to use. We use a passive voice sentence because the subject of sentence is number as an object. For addition, we use to as a preposition. By for multiplication and division, from for subtraction, and there is special order for subtraction. Next, examples. In number 1, if 90 is added to 7 and the sum is divided by 3, then the quotient is if 90 is added to because it's addition and a preposition of addition is 2. So we can use added to. And the sum is operation result of addition. Okay, it's division, so we can use divided by because by its preposition of division. Then the question is is operation result of division. Next, number 2, if 5 is subtracted from 10 and the difference is divided by 2, then the question is, from is a preposition from subtraction. So we can use subtraction from, and different is a present result from subtraction, and it's division. So we use divided by, and the question, it's a present result for division. Next, number 3, if 3 is subtracted from 4 and the difference is divided by 6, and the question is added to 5, then the sum is, okay. Now we can practice together to answer questions. Here there are multiple choice questions, and we will choose one correct answer for number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, the question, if 10 is its addition, so we will choose A, B, C, or D, and we can choose C, added 2, because 2 is preposition for addition. For number 6 is C. We can see the answer. Yes, added 2. If 10 is added to 6 in 6 and if 10 is added to 6 and okay, it's operation result of addition, and operation result of addition is sum, P. So for number 7 we can choose P, sum. So we can see the answer. Okay, sum. Okay, sum is for number 8. It's division. So we can choose the A, division by, because by is preposition of division. And we can use divided by. For number 8, we can say the answer is A. Okay, divided by 3. Then for number 9, it's operation result of division. So we can choose A, equation. We can see the answer. Okay, equation. Because equation is operation result for division. Okay, then the question is it's multiplication. So we can choose for number 10 is B, multiplied by, because by is a preposition for multiplication. Okay, we can see the answer. Yes, multiplied by 5. What is the, for number 11? This is operation result of multiplication. So we can choose C, product. Okay, we can see the answer. Yes, product. So the full answer is, if 10 is added to 6 and the sum is divided by 3, then the question is multiplied by 5. What is the product? Okay, it's a full answer. I think it's enough for me. So thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.